Look at this beautiful covering on this ancient Peugeot 12-volt single-speed windshield wiper motor. It's so cool. SEV Marchal. They don't make them like this anymore. As a matter of fact, the motor in this unit is pretty unique as well. Prep to energize it. We'll show them how. One of the field shoes here has a brake on it. If you look right down in there and see that little rectangle, you'll see that there's a brake. Now watch this.
You want to bump it?
Bump it. So what it is it's an electromagnetic brake that stops the rotation of this relatively large armature assembly so that your windshield wipers will stop succinctly without coasting into another realm. Go ahead and run it again there. We'll show that. Okay, so there's actually a rubberized flex coupler in the bottom here that connects to the wiper linkage. So this is the motor only. That's the speed that it normally goes at. Now, when we got this thing, it was all gummed up. There was many electrical connections that were questionable, and as well, the gear mechanism in the gearbox, because you can see this is fairly reduced in terms of overall speed, was pretty gummy. So we went in there and cleaned it all up and re-greased it and lubricated it and fixed all the non-conductivities in it, and it's raring to go. Go ahead and turn it off again. We'll watch this brake energize. The brakes energize that armature. That's cool. Yeah, an actual flexible armature wall. Never seen that before. Very clever. So yeah, everything works. We're going to put this thing back together. We painted some of the areas here that were rusted just to make it cleaner. Is that it, Matt?
I think so.
Thank you for watching.